wanna feel cold in the morning, stealing covers off of me. And I don't even need a warning, cause girl, I won't go back to sleep. I just wanna feel you on my chest, savoring each breath. I wanna drink wine in the evening, singing all our favorite songs. And I don't need to chase a feeling, cause you already knocked the edge off. And I just wanna dance around the room, loving only you. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person you are. My lover, baby, you'll always be perfect to me. I wanna stay home on the weekend when all our friends are going out, cause I don't see the need for speaking when you can just kiss me with your mouth. I don't need to try and pass the time, cause it's already flying by. I wanna be close when you need me, but no one else could understand. And when we have a house and a family, I'll still hold on to your hand. I'll still look you in the eyes like the first time. Oh, every imperfection, every scar, not a thing could change the person. My mother told me I should trust my intuition, and my intuition tells me something to stay right. You've been deflecting all the simplest of questions, and that ain't gonna fly. My father told me I should keep my reputation in mind, and baby girl, my reputation's on the line. I've been defending you from rumors that are spreading, so don't hang me up too dry. But you've been staring at your phone, ain't going away from me, so I don't see the person that you're texting. Wish I believed you when you said he's just a friend. Whoa, what you didn't know is I could read the message you were sending in your sunglasses reflections. I don't ever wanna see that name again, no, because I got my heart on the line. Now you should cut it into pieces once again. My friends were looking at me crazy when I told them that I think you're worthy of a second try. I told them nothing wouldn't settle to this surface.
Baby, I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are wrong?